It's been raining cats and dogs in the east of the country, and our own Vox weather station network picked up until Wednesday morning. Some regions received more than 80 millimeters and close to, in some places, over 100 millimeters here in the Free State. Now, we've seen the videos and photos on social media with reports of flooding in parts of northwest the Free State, Limpopo, and this includes Gauteng, and a possible tornado near Montana in Pretoria. The Weather Service will have to verify whether it was indeed a tornado, but one thing's for sure, the rain will continue in the east, and then stormy weather expected to now develop in the west on Thursday, says the forecast. Let's jump right into the weather warnings, and the South African Weather Service has issued 5 for Thursday with an orange level 6 warning in place, where more widespread flooding is likely in northwest the entire Gauteng, past the Bushveld and Highveld, and the latest stormy conditions expected to move here over the Northern Cape and parts of the Karoo, and continuous rainfall could lead to localized flooding along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. We can see we are expecting more widespread showers and thunderstorms on our probability map here in northwest and Gauteng. We know those regions have already received lots of rain. The ground is saturated, so please be careful out there. And the latest stormy weather also extending here over the Northern Cape due to a strong cut-of-low weather system that's moving in from the west and will bring a band of cloud and showers across South Africa. It's a slow-moving system, so it will block the sun, and you'll have a poor PV harvest over almost the entire South Africa. The wind also picking up and blowing fresh at times with the rain. It will be also cool, with later a strong northeaster picking up along the coast of the Eastern Cape, where the South African Weather Service has issued a yellow level 1 warning. In the west, we're expecting a band of fog to extend over the west coast, 29 Langban and Cape Town, and then later becoming extremely hot and humid due to the conditions. A few isolated storms also likely to bubble up near the vicinity of Clan William, at Tilbach here in Laingsburg, as well as the Little Karoo. A few isolated storms also very possibly move over the Wild Coast, and stormy weather also expected to extend later over Beaufort West and Graafrenet and the northern regions of the Eastern Cape. The wind picking up along the coast, later blowing strong. We've got a level 1 warning in place for damaging winds, and then isolated light showers likely over the eastern regions. Lots of cloud is still extending over KwaZulu-Natal, and more continuous rainfall could lead to very isolated flooding in places along the coast, with showers over the northern regions. More rain expected on and off in parts of Mpumalanga and the Lowvelds. Maximum temperatures remaining just below or just above 20 degrees. Also, still a band of cloud extending over Limpopo, with light showers in places, and stormy weather is still likely in the Bushveld. That's where we've got that orange level 6 warning in place, as well as the eastern regions of northwest. Already reports of flooding in some regions for Rustenburg, Ventersdorp, Potchefstroom and Hartbeespoort. They could receive more heavy rainfall, which could most likely lead to localized flooding. I've mentioned that the cut-of-low will bring a band of showers and thunderstorms for the Northern Cape later, and especially becoming stormy here in parts of the Karoo, and slowly moving in eastwards direction. We've got a level 2 warning in place. Those storms could become severe, resulting in hail or quick heavy downpours. Lots of cloud hanging over the Free State, with more scattered showers expected and storms moving in from the west. Widespread showers and thunderstorms will continue to move over Gauteng on Thursday. Please be careful. We've got that orange level 6 warning in place. More flooding possible, and we know the ground is saturated, so please do not try and cross a flooded bridge. On Friday, the cut-of-low weather system slowly but surely moving this band of cloud eastwards. Now more stormy weather for the rest of northwest, large parts of the Free State, and this includes the Eastern Cape. And then into this weekend, some foggy conditions expected on Saturday morning across South Africa. The cut-of-low is weakening, so only isolated storms likely in the east, but becoming scattered over KwaZulu-Natal. Well, that's all from me. Please stay safe, everyone.